This is the FEPPO Mattress Vacuum. Today, actually, we are going to be vacuuming my couch. We homeschool and I work from home, so our couch is kind of like our office, our classroom, our snack room. It gets pretty messy. This is the first time I'm using it, so we're going to see how it goes, how easy it is to figure out. One observation, this cord is super long, which is awesome. You don't have to unplug it and plug it back into a different outlet when you need to move around your mattress or your couch. Here we go. Let's get it turned on. You can see all the dust in there already just from that little bit. It's easy to hold, it's not too heavy to move around, and it's easy to pop this off. Let's see inside. So all of that is just from the arm of my couch. I haven't even done the whole thing. It's also useful on my kids' play couch cushions. I hope this was helpful for you guys.